5 traits common between all billionaires. Number 1, what's up guys, Kris Kraze here, and today's video we're talking about, hold up, yes, if you want to hear what we're talking about, it's 5 traits for billionaires and what they share in common. But guess what, if you like hearing about this stuff, hit that like button, obviously the notification bells and the subscribe, that really helps the channel. Let's get back to the program. Now, 5 traits common between all billionaires. The best ones last, so don't go anywhere. Number one is you gotta be hungry and obsessive. You gotta obsess over it. Like you want it, like you wanna breathe. Like, I had to do something comical there, but you get what I'm saying. You gotta do something that you obsess about. So you can't do something that you hate because then you're not gonna obsess about it, right? Duh. Anyways, number 2. What's number 2? Hold up. Let's talk about number 1 because I can't just leave you hanging. So hungry and obsessive, opportunities, money, success, those are all things that you gotta obsess about. Yes, you do. Number 2, risk taker. If you don't take risks, you don't get rewards. The bigger the risk, the bigger the ding, ding, ding. I had to throw it in there somewhere. That's right, the reward. It's not the bonus yet, that's later. Anyways, yes, number 2 is risk taker. You have to take risks. Now you're gonna take calculated risk, smart risk, and make sure that the risk does pay off, because if you're just taking these dumb risks, they'll never pay off and you'll just be broke and be like up S Creek without a paddle is what they say. Anyways, number 3, moving on here. Number 3 is determination and relentless. Again, obsessive kind of ties in with relentless. You want to be relentless, non-stop. Just because you get hit in the face with some type of failure or setback or anything, use that as a setback slingshot. Slingshot forward. You're going to overcome challenges and you're going to be hit with challenges. See what I said there? You're going to overcome them. Yes, because that's the important part. Don't let the challenges stop you and end everything. Keep going. Number 4, constant dissatisfaction. If you put your state of mind in a constant dissatisfaction state of mind, you'll never be satisfied and you'll always be driving yourself to get to a better place and to do better, which is what you want. Make sure that you note that. That's an important one. So number 4 is constant dissatisfaction. Don't ever be satisfied, because the second you get satisfied, then you get complacent. When you get complacent, things don't move and things don't get better. You're not going up, you're just staying flatline, plateau. You know what I'm saying. Now, number 5. What's number 5? Number 5 is entrepreneur mindset. I go into more details on this at the link below, entrepreneurchoices.com. However, shameless plug, I know that. But anyways, entrepreneur, God, that's a tongue twister, entrepreneur mindset. You got to think like an entrepreneur, okay? If you're not thinking like an entrepreneur, you're thinking like an employee. And if you're thinking like an employee, you're not thinking like an entrepreneur. Entrepreneurs create, wow. Entrepreneurs create, innovate. They're doing everything in here. Every billionaire has some type of entrepreneur mindset. So make sure that you have one too. And if you don't, I got some more information on this channel. Just peep out the videos here. Anyways, thank you guys for tuning in. And of course, what's the bonus? The bonus is entrepreneurchoices.com. It helps you get in tune with your entrepreneur self. You don't know what you want to do, but you want to be an entrepreneur? Check out the choices there. We hold your hand and we guide you right through the process. Until next time, I'm Kris Kraze and I'm out.